Now that we have created a plain text email, let's learn how to create a message in HTML. You will use the very same coding, data.setMessage, and inside here you will add your text and you will add true. True means you are passing HTML code. False means you are passing plain text. Now, since we did write true here, let's remove the comment. We can add HTML code here, and to add HTML code we have to get HTML code to begin with. So go here, write HTML online code editor, and you can use this one or this one, W3 School or the online code editor, this one. So if we want to use this one, as you can see, this is the online editor for this website. You can write your text and write it here and see it here, see what's happening here. So to edit this text, you can edit the heading. This is the headings. You can write your name and click run, and it will be visible here. Same for other things, or you can simply try this one. You can start writing hello world ESP32 email testing, and you can simply copy this code. This is the HTML code for this line. You can add other information. You can align the text to be in the middle. You can increase the font size or change the font color. You can choose different formats if you want to make it as heading, as you can see. Let's remove the background color and add a red color for the text itself. Now you can copy all of this and simply paste it inside your code. Right click and copy, then go inside your code, paste it right here. As you can see, this is our HTML code. Now you can use this, or you can use the raw text. It's up to you. In my case, I will start with the raw text, then we can test with HTML. Now let's move on with code editing. Now the final step is setting the recipient email address. So write smtp data dot add recipient, and inside it write email recipient. That's it. Now that we have set all the details of the SMTP data, we are ready to send the email. So to send the email, you need to write if statement, and inside the if you need to write this mail client dot send email. We are using the send email function, and we are passing the SMTP data that we already filled here in these lines. Now after that we can print serial dot print ln. If there is an error, we can say error in sending the email, and we can get the error code from the mail client. You can write mail client dot smtp error reason, and this is how you can get the email error. It will most likely print out a code that you can look up using Google to know exactly what's the problem. After sending the email, you can clear all the data from the SMTP data object, and we can do this using one simple line which is smtb data.empty. The empty function is the one that we can use to send empty emails. Now we are sending the email in the setup function. This means that the email will be sent once, and you have to unplug, then plug it again, the ESP board, to send another email. If you want to send the email more than once, you can simply use this method, the send email method, inside the loop function. In our example, the loop function is empty. Now we can start testing this code out, but we can add even more stuff in the loop function. Now you can create a callback function to get the email sending status. To do that, there is a very easy method. You can simply define a callback function, write void. Let me show it to you. Let's create a new function and name it send call back. Now the send callback function will have a simple code. We are going to write on the serial monitor print ln, and here we are going to write the message.info, and we need to pass the message here. Send status message. Now when the status message is sent, we can write an if statement, and this if statement will include if message is success in sending, then we need to write anything for debugging inside. Okay, we can write plus signs. This means that the message was sent successfully. Otherwise, the message we will get a code error or an SMTP error reason code on our serial monitor. Now this is how you can create a callback function to get the email sending status. Sorry. Now that's it. What you need to do next is very simple. You need to verify the code to make sure that it doesn't have any errors. Then we will upload the code to our ESP board. It will take a few seconds to compile the code. Okay, as you can see here we have an error. SMTP server port was not defined in this scope. Let's make sure that we have the right SMTP server port. Oh, we have a spelling error, SMTP. Let's go back and fix it. SMTP server port. Okay, that's right. Now let me also add my email password here. Now let's compile it. Okay, now done compiling. The next step is uploading the code to our ESP board and see if the email is sent or not. Now we will do this in the next lesson, but that's it for this lesson. If you have any question, please ask in the Q&A board. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.